What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your cabin air filter on a Chevy Traverse. It should be the same for about the 2009 to the 2016. Also, it's the same process on the GMC Acadia for about the same years, as well as the Buick Enclave. The first thing you're going to want to do is come to your glove box, open up your glove box like that. And if you look inside of it, what you'll see is, so I'll get a good close up on it. Right over here, you see that little opening right there? That's just a little damper arm pretty much that you want to lift up. So what you do is come to the outside of it right here of your glove box, and you'll see this little piece right here. So what you're going to do is just pull up on that like that. See how I pulled it up? And once you pull that up, you'll be able to just slide it out of that opening. Get a better angle so you can see. Yeah, you see that piece? That's just on the side of your glove box. What you're going to do is just, see, pushing it down puts it back in place. So just pull up on it with your finger like that. Then once you do that, you'll be able just to wiggle it and pull that out like that. Once you got that out, set that down like that. And then what you're going to want to do is come action your glove box. You'll see these two pieces right here that you want to screw, one on this side. You'll have one over here on this side over here pretty much that you're going to want to take out. So this happens to be a 2009 Chevy Traverse. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to basically just want to spin it. Spin it. Sometimes they're kind of hard, so if so, you could probably take like a pair of pliers or vice grips or something like that. Just kind of put it onto it. Alright, you see like that, I just took those pair of vice grips, kind of started it. Then once you do that, you kind of want to spin it the rest of the way. And once you do that, it'll basically just come out, kind of wiggle it out, lift up on your box a little bit too. It helps it if you kind of lift your box up some like that, it'll help it come out. This is pretty much what I took out right here. Just kind of spun that. Go to the other side. You want to do the same thing. And so lift up on your box. It'll make it easier for you to spin it out like that. Kind of lift up, this came out. Alright folks, now that we got those things out, what we're doing now is just dropping our glove box down, and you'll see this right here. Now if you see this right here, what it's telling you that is this vehicle actually does not have a cabin air filter in it. A lot of your, I think it's 2009 to about the 2010 Chevy Traverses, they don't have cabin air filters, as well as some of your GMC Acadias and Buick Enclaves may not have it also. So if you see this clean piece right here with this little thing in the middle, looks exactly like this, you do not have an air filter. So there's no need of going on trying to take out these screws or anything like that thinking it's back there behind there. This one does not have one. And if it does have one, you put a picture up, this is what you would see. This right here is what you will look at. If yours looks like this right here, that tells you that you do have an air filter. So now normally what it is a couple of tabs on here that you may have to pull to take off the cover. If you have one, this piece right here will be like what I showed you, and you'll just pull those tabs, pull it out, and right behind there you'll see your air filter. Then basically just pull your air filter out and change it. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would get to the location of where your cabin air filter is at on the Chevy Traverse, about the 09 to 16, the GMC Acadia, as well as the Buick Enclave. And like I said, some of them don't have an air filter, so if you see this, there's no air filter, go ahead and put everything back up because there's nothing for you to change out. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.